All right, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be making the first video for Dancing Dragons Extras. So this channel, I will post a video on Saturday. Today is what, Monday? Tuesday?
Yeah.
So, and we're going to be posting everything other than cars onto this channel. And today we're going to be opening a Ghost from the Past display box. So, wait, I want to get a picture of it on the marble. Noah, move the playmat. I think that looks sick. So we're gonna start going. All right, so right now, I think this set came out a couple days ago. Do you know when it came out, Noah?
Not a couple days ago.
Longer? Well, I think it came out to the public on the 6th. And what is today? The 7th?
Oh, I don't know about to the public.
Well, because I know Konami was sending people. So this is the display box. This is my first display. And I'll take them from Walmart. So this was honestly, I was kind of disappointed because I thought this was going to be much bigger. So yeah. So that's what it looks like on the display. All right. I'm gonna start opening. All right, actually, I'm gonna take them all out of the box so we can just make things faster. All right, so I have all the packs out. This is all the packs, and I put the boxes back in display because I just think it looks cool. So the pulls we're looking for is probably not the most expensive ones, but Cyber Dragon, Ghost Rare, and what else? I want, oh, this one, Crystal Beast Rainbow Dragon. That's new to the set. But yeah, so Cyber Dragon, Ghost Rare, and I want a playset of Doppel Warrior, which I don't think is going to happen, and Yazi for my deck.
You have double Warrior.
Yeah, but this is the Ultra Rare. Some DD cards.
DD Slime's good.
Is it? Cyber End Dragon. I don't know.
Prolific.
Is that new? I don't think I've seen that card.
No.
I know. My brother plays Cyber End, or whatever. Cyber Dragons. Let me put these over here. The used ones. So we're trying to figure out how we're doing the... Right now, my brother's just over my shoulder recording. So if we could have a better setup, that'd be good. Yangzing.
Oh, Vision Hero.
Oh, this one, I think. Yeah, I'm looking for money also. Not really, but I mean, that's not the main thing. But some, like, the Despia card that's in this. Oh, I ripped it the wrong way.
Dark Contract or something?
Dark something. Also, Kriston Halki Fiber X. Cupid Pitch, that's a good one. Put that one aside. Oh, Necro World Banshee, this is like $1.
A Vampire Sucker.
Yeah, I like that card. That card looks cool.
I'm playing in Master Duel.
Is that for your, like, a vampire deck? Or a zombie deck?
Zombies.
Yeah. Zombie World deck?
No.
Is Zombie World in this? No.
I don't know.
Infernity Pawn. I think this one's worth a little bit. Vision Hero. Galaxy Soldier.
Galaxy Soldier's good.
Brutal Enforce. Ooh. Manju. This one's cool. This is like a lot of the... I don't really pull, honestly. Like, I don't open packs. Like, I'm more of I buy my singles kind of thing. But there's so many cards in this set that I wanted. I'm like, you know what? Might as well, right? Despia Comedy. Shining Ball. This one's cool. Ooh. This is a cool card. I just think it looks like, a lot of people saying it looks like a Ghost Rare. But I just think the card is just so late. And then Chimera Tech Fortress Dragon. So this is for you, right?
Chimera Tech?
Yeah.
Yeah. Machine monsters. 2 or more.
Yeah, Noah's looking for the Cyber and Dragon in this set. Even though he didn't contribute.
That's alright.
Advanced Ritual Arts. Decode Talker, Heart Soul. Oh, this is from Master Duel. This girl, she's like a thing.
I don't play her, I don't know.
Yeah, but I think she's what is it called?
This story?
Yeah. Like,
oh, she's one of the emblems.
Yeah, emblems. I was trying to think of what it was.
I don't know, I don't play.
You don't play Master Duel?
I haven't played this season. School just ended for me. So I'll get Moki Moki this season. Maybe hit
Code
Flat.
Generator. Primatech. Lalam Susu. Fallen Sanctuary. On Marky. So I think this is where the ghost would be, is the second to last. So yeah. I'm already making a pile. Oh, this is one of the new Despia cards. Or not new, but like new to me, I guess. I like this art.
Ooh.
Vision Hero Vion. And Fossil Machine Skull Wagon. I think I already pulled 2 of those, so that's a playset. eBay's already flooding with Ghosts from the Past stuff. Alright, yeah, I'm like destroying these packs. Vision Hero Poisoner. Ghost Trickstein. Vice King. Shadow Vampire. Yazi, there we go. It's a beautiful card. I was thinking about running. You're really taking pictures. I was thinking about running the Yazi and Mare. I saw that. There's a video about it in Synchron decks. So I got Mare from a buddy. So I was looking for the Yazi. More Despia cards. Plunder. Dark Magician. This is a dope card. Iconic. Tenny. Vision Hero Multiply Guy. It's gonna be if we pull a Ghost Rare, it's gonna be one of the last ones. They're pushing towards the back. So the odds for this is pretty, I mean, it's double of the last Ghost from the Past, I believe. So.
Oh, that's a good card.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Is it worth anything?
I have no idea. I played
There's
Master Duel.
Crimson Knight.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I forgot you have zombie cards. You played Skull Servants, right?
Skull Servants, Eldritch.
Oh yeah.
Both zombies.
I really just dropped all that.
Did you just bent the Ghost Rare?
I think it was a synchro. Oh no, it was DDD. DDD. Damn. Saturn. Is that what this is? Saturn, yeah. Ghost Trick. I like the Ghost Trick. I like the arts of the Ghost Trick cards. Those are cool. Now we're looking for Doppel Warrior. We have to pull Doppel Warrior in at least one of these. Doppel Warrior is one of my favorite cards. Damn, I really suck at opening packs. Start making another pile. There's a lot of synchros in this. Fossil Fusion. And another Malefic. I like Fossil Fusion art is kind of cool too. I really like I like the Ghost Trick cards. I don't play Ghost Trick. I don't think I will. But I appreciate the art. I'm really, hopefully, I look back when I start doing more videos and I'm looking at my technique of opening.
Slime's good.
Void Cauldron, Reptia, Code Expector, and DDD Necroslime. DD Necroslime. I think I added a D in there. So why are some cards DDD and then the other ones are DD?
It's just the card.
Is that like an archetype?
Yeah, DD is the archetype.
I know, but... Oh, DD is the archetype? So why is there an extra D?
Because DDD is like the more powerful, like...
No.
extra deck card.
Neos Kluger, Plunder, whatever. Of course, Sky. I think we have 4. All right, this is the last set. We are looking for Cyber Dragon. Everyone wants the waifu. I want Cyber Dragon. Quidit Magician. Quintant. Mystical Sand. Rare Fish.
This sucks. Ooh, Inzektor Hornet's good.
It's not.
Inzektor Hornet's sick.
I have Inzektor Hornet as a common. I don't think we're getting too lucky with these pulls.
Green Inzektor Dragonfall.
I'm honestly hoping for Crisson Halki Fibrax.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Zero. It's just because I play tuners and stuff. As I just said that, Crisson Halki Fibrax. And honestly, I really like this. It's my first time holding one.
Wow.
I played all these synchro decks. Never used Crisson Halki Fibrax. Rest in peace, Jet. Damn. I really am struggling. All right. Last 2 packs. Vision Hero. Code Generator. Oh, I remember this
Is
card.
that an alternate art?
Is it? I don't think so.
Oh, no,
Vampire Sucker. One more. Trap card. Vampire Takeover.
I'm pretty sure that's an alternate art.
Is it?
Yeah, because I have it in one of my DD decks.
I know, it's like a... I mean, it wouldn't be an alternate art. It would just be an ultra rare. So unless it is an updated art, it wouldn't be new to the set, I'm saying. I mean, at least I don't think so. All right, last one. I'm just going to put this one in the back. Add suspense. Sandwich.
Oh, that one's sick.
Sangan and Witch of the Black Forest. Generator Boss Stage. Oh, this is the expensive one, right? Yeah, Albert the Jester of Despia. I think I made my money back. Contract with the Void. Oh, no. Agent of Miracles Jupiter. So I did not get a Ghost Rare. I did get some of the cards I wanted. So some of the cards I would have spent money on, Cupid, Pitch, and Yazi. And now I'm looking for my Doppel Warriors. Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed that video, there will be much more to come. I'm going to try to post every single day on this channel and once a week on the other channel. So that is Ghostman Pass 2. I did not pull any Ghost Rares, but we did get some good pulls. So that's like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to try to be very consistent with this channel. It's just going to be whatever's random. So like Yu-Gi-Oh, music, I don't know, gaming, Legos. We do some Legos. We can get down with some Legos. I'm just stuttering. But yeah, subscribe.